Hello, my name is Juan Esteban Amaya and I'm going to talk about education. A learning experience should be a training model which aims to boil knowledge and experiences. When we talk about education, we talk about for performance situation and individual and group work environments. According to the theory of experimental learning defines learning as the process by which knowledge is created through the transformation of experiences. Experimental learning focuses on students' reflection on their practical experience in their order to achieve conceptual knowledge as well as practical experience. When we also talk about the experiences of education or this way of applying it, we take into account each of the aspects of our life in which we have learned to do something. This can facilitate several things when solving problems that we plantain in a different areas of education. For example, the simple fact of watching a series in English make it easier for us to listen the pronunciation and listening in the class. So the fact of doing basic mathematical accounts in immediate way makes it easier for us to solve more complicated problems. Thank you.